Countless sign companies have told us that up to 70% of the signs they hang weigh less than 200 pounds. Like this one. I could literally carry this sign to work every day. When you consider the kinds of trucks that hang small signs, two categories emerge. Too much truck and not enough truck. For signs that weigh less than 200 pounds, a two-man basket is too much. It shouldn't take $250,000 and two people to hang a small sign on the wall. At the other extreme are the old line trucks with their fiberglass buckets, which are great if you're a lineman, but as a sign truck, how do you hold the sign? What you need is a way to secure the sign while bringing it up. And you need an easy way to square the sign to the wall. With your hands free to use your tools. All right, I'm not a sign installer, but these guys are.
Like there were buckets for cable guys, and there were buckets for fire guys, and there were buckets for all different reasons. I mean, this is made just for what we use it for. So all the accessories make from a banner to a raceway to channel letters, there's all different ways. Just makes things easier for you up there.
I liked it. It made it to where you could do a job by yourself. Didn't have to hold the sign at all. Held all the weight. Made it easy. Once I learned how to do the controls, I could control 3 movements at once. I could go up, down, left, right, and retract, extend, all with one hand at the same time. That was very, very nice. The sign I could swivel in the air an inch at a time if I needed to, and it moved real easily. I endorse it 100%. I'd love to. This truck here could make a 2-man job, a 1-man job any day.
But the pattern arm, they worked really good because it frees up your hands. With the basket being able to rotate like that, you can get the pattern closer to the wall, further away from the wall. So when you start to run your pattern, you can just follow it right down the wall without fear of it ripping.
We picked up an 8x8 face, and it was like working without using your arms at all. It made it so easy to slide in, and just pulling the clamps off that new system definitely makes life easy.
Having those attachments to be able to hang a 10, 11 foot, 15 foot cabinet by yourself is a big plus.
I could do a whole raceway by myself, like 10, 15 foot raceway. I wouldn't need another set of hands or anything because of the platform that comes out. It just makes my life so much easier.
This van is by far the best. Just like the cargo space in it, you can literally haul everything in it. When you're done with the job, you can throw everything in it and just, pack on and keep going. I mean, it works good. If you have to back into like a spot, you have no outriggers, you can literally just fit it in anywhere.
What it would normally take 2 guys to do, I can do it by myself in that one basket. No, you wouldn't need a 2-man basket or a jib. If this could reach it, you can do it with this.
There you have it. Van ladder with a chariot bucket. Not too much, nor too little, but just right for 70% of your sign work.
Not used to being on TV.
Here, I'll unpick you.